sport compact cars for 2024 Toyota GR Corolla. As we gear up for 2024, the sport compact car market is heating up with a thrilling array of new models that blend performance, agility, and everyday practicality. Among the top contenders is the 2024 Toyota GR Corolla, a car that has quickly garnered a reputation for its dynamic performance and rally-inspired design. 2024 Toyota GR Corolla, a rally-bred performer. The 2024 Toyota GR Corolla is an exciting addition to the sport compact segment, embodying the spirit of Toyota's Gazoo racing division. This model is powered by a 1.6-liter three-cylinder turbocharged engine that produces an impressive 300 horsepower and 273 lb-ft of torque. Despite its small displacement, this engine delivers robust performance, propelling the GR Corolla from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just over 5 seconds. One of the standout features of the GR Corolla is its GR4 all-wheel drive system, which allows drivers to adjust the torque distribution between the front and rear axles. This feature provides exceptional traction and stability, whether navigating tight corners or accelerating on straightaways. The car's 6-speed manual transmission offers precise and engaging shifts, further enhancing the driving experience. The GR Corolla's suspension setup is tuned for spirited driving, with McPherson struts at the front and a double wishbone layout at the rear. This configuration, combined with performance-tuned dampers, ensures sharp handling and a smooth ride. Brembo brakes provide strong stopping power, adding to the car's performance credentials. Inside, the GR Corolla boasts a driver-focused cockpit with high-quality materials and advanced technology. The sporty seats offer excellent support, while the 12.3-inch digital instrument cluster and 8-inch touchscreen infotainment system with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto keep drivers connected and informed. Unique GR touches, such as red stitching and GR badging, remind occupants of the car's performance pedigree. Other notable sport compact cars for 2024. While the Toyota GR Corolla is a standout, it competes in a vibrant segment with other impressive models. 2023 Honda Civic Type R, renowned for its precision handling and 315 horsepower turbocharged engine, the Civic Type R remains a favorite among enthusiasts. Volkswagen GTI, with its 241 horsepower engine and advanced chassis, the GTI offers a balanced blend of performance and practicality. Hyundai Elantra N, known for its 276 horsepower engine and adaptive suspension, the Elantra N provides a thrilling and value-packed driving experience. Subaru WRX, combining rally-inspired performance with a 271 horsepower turbocharged engine and all-wheel drive, the WRX offers versatility and excitement. Conclusion. As 2024 approaches, the sport compact car market is set to deliver an exhilarating array of models that cater to both performance enthusiasts and practical drivers. The 2024 Toyota GR Corolla stands out with its rally-inspired design, advanced all-wheel drive system, and engaging driving dynamics. Whether you're drawn to the GR Corolla's unique performance features or the distinct characteristics of its competitors, the best sport compact cars of 2024 promise an exciting and enjoyable driving experience.